I will zoom in to show some places in Mumbai on the map. They are Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Western and Central Railway Lines, Godrej Memorial Hospital, and IIT Bombay. Go to the legend panel and click on it. Let us scroll down to show different symbols that represent different attributes. They are transportation, areas, places of interest, education, and others. Let us zoom out to go back to the default location. Now we will learn how to create route maps. I will drag the boundary to see the map clearly. To find a route map between two places, click on the routing panel. In the routing panel, we see two input bars with green colored A and B icons. Click on the down arrow button next to A. A drop-down menu opens with different options. Select from Map option. In the input bars, we will enter the source and destination of the route. I will demonstrate how to find a route map from Mumbai to Pune. As Mumbai is our starting point, let us type Mumbai in the first input bar. Click on the search button or press Enter key on the keyboard. Let us wait till Mumbai is located on the map. A message, Place Marks Found 1 appears next to the search button. On the map, location of Mumbai is marked as A. This A icon is the same as the one shown in the input bar. Go to the second input bar and click on the down arrow button next to B. From the drop-down, select From Map option. I will type Pune in the second input bar. Click on the search button or press Enter key on the keyboard. Again, we will wait till Pune is located on the map. This location is shown using B icon on the map. Notice that search button is now replaced by a Get Directions button. Click on the Get Directions button. Route map from Mumbai to Pune is shown on the map. A message, Routes Found 1 appears in the routing panel. Let us zoom in to get a clear view of the route. Distance between these two places is shown at the bottom of the routing panel. Below the input bars, we see a Car Fastest drop-down button. This drop-down button has 4 route profiles. They are Car Fastest, Car Shortest, Bicycle, and Pedestrian. By default, Car Fastest route profile is selected. The route profile depends on the type of vehicle we choose. On the map, we see a route map from Mumbai to Pune with Car Fastest route profile. Let us find the same route map with Bicycle route profile. Click on the Car Fastest drop-down button and select Bicycle. The Car Fastest route profile from Mumbai to Pune is deleted. Click on the Get Directions button. Please wait if buffering sign is seen. A message, No route found is seen on the routing panel. Click on the Settings icon in the routing panel. Configure Routing Profile Marble Virtual Globe dialog box opens. Under the Active Route Services Service Settings, uncheck all the checkboxes. Then click on Use checkbox. click on the OK button in the box. Now click on the Get Directions button. A new route map appears on the map with bicycle route profile. Now we will see how to remove this route map. Right-click on the ending point B. A context menu opens. From the context menu, select Remove this destination option. Route map between Mumbai and Pune is deleted. To remove the starting point A, right-click on A. Select Remove this destination option. Now I will show how to find local routes on the map. For demonstration, we will find a route map from Kalyan to Panvel. Let us locate our starting point Kalyan. Right-click on its label. A context menu appears. Select Directions from here option. A icon appears at the starting point Kalyan. Let us locate our destination Panvel. Right-click on its label. Context menu appears again. Select Directions to here option. Route map from Kalyan to Panvel appears on the map. I will demonstrate how to export this route map. Right-click on the route map. Context menu appears again. From the context menu, select Export Route option. Export Route dialog box opens. Select a location to save the file. I will select the desktop folder. In the file name field, type the name as route-1.gpx. In the Files of Type field, we can select the file format as .gpx or .kml. Click on the Save button. I will close the Marble application. Let us check the exported route map. The exported route map route-1.gpx file is saved on the desktop. Let us double-click to open this file. Select Open with KDE Marble option. The route map from Kalyan to Panvel is shown here. Let us close this file. We will learn more about route maps in the upcoming tutorials. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about OpenStreetMap. To find a route map between two places. About different route profiles. Settings of route profiles. To find local routes on the map. And to export a route map. An assignment for you. Find a route map from Delhi to Chennai. Export this route map in .gpx file format. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching. The spoken tutorial on export, print and download maps. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export a map, print a map and download maps. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.12.20. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20, and a working internet connection. To practice this tutorial, learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. We will learn how to export a map for future reference. We will export a map of India with different states. For this, we will use OpenStreetMap from the map view. Click on OpenStreetMap. For better view, I will select Flat View option from the drop-down menu. Zoom in and locate India on the map. I will move and place the windrows in a convenient location. Let us first hide Overview Map, Compass, Scale Bar, and Windrows for better view of the map. Right-click on the Overview Map. A context menu opens. Select Hide option from the menu. Overview Map is hidden from the interface. Similarly, I will hide Compass, Scale Bar, and Windrows from the interface. Next, let us hide Latitudes and Longitudes. Go to Legend panel and uncheck Coordinate Grid checkbox. Click on the File menu. Select Export Map option. Export Map dialog box opens. Select a location to save the file. I will select the desktop folder. In the file name field, type the file name as India-map.png. We can export the map in .png or .jpg formats. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box. Let us open the exported map. Go to the desktop folder. Here we can see India-map.png file. Let us double-click to open this file. Click on the Close button to close the file. Let us go back to the Marble interface with the same map view. Next, we will learn how to print maps in Marble. Click on the File menu and select Print option. The Print dialog box appears on the interface. Let us click on the Options button in the dialog box. A menu appears with 3 tabs, namely Copies, Options, and Marble. The options in this window are the standard print options. Click on the Marble tab. In this tab, we can select the checkboxes to display various options on the map. Visible globe region is selected by default. We can check outer space and legend checkboxes if required. Now we will print our map. Let us click on the Print button at the bottom of the dialog box. If you have configured your printer correctly, then your map will start printing. An assignment for you. Export the political map of Africa in the .png format. Hint: use Flat View option. Let us go back to the default view. Check Coordinate Grid checkbox. Then go to Map View and select Atlas View. Click on the Globe View button. Let us zoom out and go back to the default view. Next, we will learn how to download maps in Marble. Internet connectivity is required to download a map. To download maps, go to File menu and select Download Maps option. Shortcut key to download map is Ctrl+N. Marble Install Maps window opens on the interface with various maps. There is a scroll bar on the right side of this window. Let us scroll down to see different maps that are available for download. A short description about each map is given along with its view. Below the description, we can see author, license, and version for that particular map. On the right side of each map, we can see an install button with a tick mark. From the list of maps, I will select Natural Earth 3 map for downloading. Click on the install button corresponding to Natural Earth 3 map. We see that install button is replaced by a progress bar. It will take a few seconds to download depending on the internet connectivity. Apart from the maps of Earth, we also have maps of other celestial bodies. Now I will download the map of Mercury. If you wish to cancel the installation, click on the cancel button. After downloading, click on the close button at the bottom of this window. Go to map view and scroll down. We can see that Natural Earth 3 map is saved in the map view panel. Click on Natural Earth 3 map. Natural Earth 3 map opens on the interface. We have also downloaded the map of Mercury. As Mercury is a planet, it is saved in the Earth drop-down button. Let us go to Earth drop-down button and click on it. Observe that Mercury is added to this drop-down. Click on Mercury. Globe view of Mercury opens. An assignment for you. Download the maps of Venus and Mars. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned how to export a map, print a map, and download maps. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for watching. tutorial on Globe, a true model of the Earth. In this tutorial, we will learn about Behaim globe and historical map, continents and oceans, significance of latitudes and longitudes, how to change the color of latitudes and longitudes, grid and coordinates. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.12.20. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To practice this tutorial, learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. On the Marble interface, the topographical map of the Earth is the virtual globe. Let us learn about what is a globe. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, meaning sphere. The earliest terrestrial globe was made by Martin Behaim in 1492. Let us go to Map View and select Behaim Globe 1492. This is the oldest model of Earth in the form of a sphere. To see more features of this globe, let us select Legend panel. Scroll down the Legend panel to see Places in German. Select Behaim Places checkbox. This shows the places depicted by Behaim in 1492. Select Texts and Illustrations checkbox. In this globe, inscriptions are shown in German. In this globe, there is no clear demarcation between continents and coastlines. This globe was made by Behaim and his collaborators to discover the West. For that reason, America is not shown on this globe. An assignment for you. Explore the expanded versions of Behaim globe. Hint: use the Legend panel. Let us go to Map View and select Historical Map 1689. In this globe, we can see the continents, latitudes and longitudes. Let us go back to our default view. We can see that land area is represented by light green and yellow colors. Water is represented by blue color. Click on the drop-down button next to Globe View and select Flat View option. Now we can see all the continents and oceans in the same plane. Observe that the land of Earth is divided into 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Global ocean is the interconnected system of water bodies. For convenience, water bodies have been grouped into oceans like Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. Now we will open the Place Information datasheet of Indian Ocean. I will scroll down to show the information. Click on the Close button to close this sheet. Let us go back to the default view. Let us go to Map View and select Political Map. We will hide the panels for better view of the globe. Go to the Settings menu and select Panels. In the submenu, select Hide All Panels. Political map shows boundaries of countries and location of major cities. We will go to Asia and see the main countries of Asia. Let us zoom in to see the countries. Russia, China, India, Mongolia, and others. Similarly, we can find the other countries from each continent. Let us go back to the default view. Go to Settings menu and select Panels. Select Show All Panels. Then click on Atlas View. Notice one red dot on the top of the globe. It is the North Pole. Let us rotate the globe downwards to see another red dot. It is the South Pole. Rotate the globe to its default view. The yellow horizontal line running around the globe is the equator. It divides the Earth into two equal parts. Here we see some lines parallel to the equator. Since these lines are parallel to the equator, they are called parallels of latitudes. Notice that some lines are connected from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are meridians of longitude. Prime meridian is the main meridian of longitude. It is an imaginary line that divides the Earth vertically into two equal halves. More information about latitudes and longitudes is available in the additional material link. Let us now change the color of latitudes and longitudes for better visibility. Go to the Settings menu and select Configure Marble Virtual Globe option. Configure window opens. From the left panel, select Plugins option. Plugins menu opens. In the menu, click on the Configure button corresponding to the Coordinate Grid checkbox. Coordinate Grid plugin dialog box opens. Here we can change the colors of grid, tropics, and equator. Click on the Grid button. Color dialog box appears on the screen. In the box, I will select dark brown color. Click on the OK button in the color box. Next, click on the Tropics button. Color box appears again on the screen. I will select red color and click OK button. Similarly, I will change the color of equator to black. Click on the OK button in the Coordinate Grid plugin dialog box. Click on the OK button in the Configure window. Observe the change in the colors of grid, tropics, and equator. For convenience, most of the globes show only a few longitudes and latitudes. But the actual globe has a parallel system of longitudes and latitudes. Go to Settings menu and select Configure Marble Virtual Globe option. Configure window opens. Select View option from the left panel. In the menu, under Units, click on Angle drop-down. Select Universal Transverse Mercator. Click on Apply button. Then click on OK button. Observe that longitudes and latitudes form a crisscross network across the globe. It is called as geographic grid. The intersection point of a latitude and a longitude is its coordinate. Let us go back to the default view. Go to Settings menu and select Configure Marble Virtual Globe option. Configure window opens. In the View menu, under Units, click on Angle drop-down and select Degree DMS. Click on Apply button. Click on the OK button to close the dialog box. Let us go back to our home location, Mumbai. we will find the coordinates of Mumbai on the globe. Place the cursor on Mumbai. Longitude and latitude are shown on the status bar. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learnt about Behaim globe and historical map, continents and oceans, significance of latitudes and longitudes, how to change the color of latitudes and longitudes, grid and coordinates. An assignment for you. Find the continents through which the equator passes and find the Indian states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for watching. To the spoken tutorial on Edit Maps in Marble. In this tutorial, we will learn to add the following on the map: a place mark, a polygon, and a path. We will also learn to save an annotation file. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.12.20 and working internet connection. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To practice this tutorial, learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. I have opened the Marble interface. Go to Map View and select OpenStreetMap. I will hide Overview Map, Compass and Scale bar for better view of the map. I will select Flat View option from the drop-down. Let us hide latitudes and longitudes for better visibility of the map. Go to the Legend panel and uncheck Coordinate Grid checkbox. Let us make the Edit Maps panel visible if it is not seen on the interface. Click on the Settings menu and select Panels. From the submenu, select Edit Maps option. In the Edit Maps panel, we see some icons. Let us first learn to add a place mark on the map. Let us go to our home location Mumbai. We will add a place mark on the location of IIT Bombay. Zoom in and locate IIT Bombay. Go to Edit Maps panel and click on Add Placemark icon. Edit Placemark dialog box opens on the interface. In the name field, type the name as IIT Bombay. Under Label, click on the Color button. Select Color window opens. From the color box, I will select dark blue color. Click on the OK button in the window. Next, click on the Description tab. In the description field, I will add some information about IIT Bombay. The information about IIT Bombay is provided in the code files link. Check Show Balloon pop-up checkbox. Click on the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. Now we can see a place mark at the location of IIT Bombay. Click on its label. Place Information datasheet opens. In the short description, information added in the description field is shown. Let us close this sheet. An assignment for you. Add a place mark and description for Delhi on the map. Hint: the description about Delhi is provided in the code files link. Let us now add a polygon to highlight a particular area on the map. We will add a polygon to highlight Kerala on the map. Zoom in and locate Kerala on the map. Click on the Add Polygon icon. Add Polygon dialog box appears on the interface. In the name field, type the name as Kerala. Let us select Colors for lines and area of the polygon. Click on the Color button. Select Color window opens. From the color box, I will select red color for lines. Click on the OK button. We see a width drop-down button. We can select the line width here. I will choose the line width as 1.5. Click on the color button under area. Select color window opens. From the color box, I will select magenta for area. Click on the OK button. Let us resize and place the dialog box to the left side of the interface. Now click on Nodes tab. Node is a point on the map. It specifies the longitude and latitude of a particular place. Let us now start marking nodes to draw a polygon on the area of Kerala. To mark the area with nodes, click anywhere on the boundary of Kerala. Keep clicking all along the boundary to complete the full area of Kerala. Click on the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. After marking all the nodes, Kerala appears in magenta color. An assignment for you. Highlight Karnataka state using the Add Polygon option. Next icon is Add Path. If we wish to add some lines or path on the map, we can use Add Path tool. We will add a path from Pune to Solapur on the map. Locate Pune and Solapur on the map. Click on Add Path icon. Add Path dialog box opens on the interface. In the name field, I will type the name as Path-1. Next, we will select color and width for our path. Click on the color button under lines. From the color box, I will select blue color. Click on the OK button. Click on the width drop-down button. I will choose the color width as 1.5. Let us resize and drag the dialog box to the left side of the interface. Click on the Nodes tab in the dialog box. Then start marking the nodes one by one from Pune to Solapur. Click on the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. Notice that a path is marked from Pune to Solapur on the map. Let us save all the annotations we have made on this map. Click on Save Annotation File icon. Save Annotation File dialog box opens on In the file name field, type the name as annotation-1.kml. Please note that the file format should be .kml or .osm. Click on the Save button in the dialog box. Let us check our annotation file. I will close this Marble application. Go to the desktop folder. Annotation-1.kml file is saved on the desktop. To open the file, right-click on the file. From the context menu, select Open with Marble option. Notice that all the annotations made on the map have been saved in this file. We will learn more about edit maps in the upcoming tutorials. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to add the following on the map: a place mark, a polygon, and a path. We have also learned to save an annotation file. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for watching.
To the spoken tutorial on Customize the Route Maps. In this tutorial, we will learn to customize an existing route, create a reverse route, track the location of a route, save a track and open a track, clear the track, and disable the position tracking from the map. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.12.20, and a working internet connection. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To practice this tutorial, the learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. The file used in this tutorial is given in the code files link. Please download and extract the file to desktop. I have already downloaded and saved the file to the desktop folder. Right-click on the file and select Open with Marble option. Earlier in this series, we had created a route map from Mumbai to Pune. Now we will see how to change an existing route. We will change the destination from Pune to Aurangabad in the existing route. This can be done using drag and drop method. Move your mouse pointer on the route. A green flag icon with plus symbol appears. This indicates that it is possible to add new routes. Click with the left mouse button on the route. Move the pointer and drop it at the new location Aurangabad. B icon appears on the location of Aurangabad. Now we have to delete the ending point Pune. Right-click on the ending point Pune in the existing route. A context menu appears. Select Remove this destination option. Notice that the existing route is seen as a dotted line. A new route from Mumbai to Aurangabad is created on the map. An existing route can also be changed using the Add Via icon. We can see this icon as a plus green symbol in the routing panel. Click on the Add Via icon. An input bar with C icon appears in the routing panel. In the new input bar, we can enter the name of the new destination. Click on the down arrow button next to C. A drop-down menu opens with different options. Select From Map option. I will enter the destination as Vadodara. Click on the Get Directions button. C icon appears on the location of Vadodara on the map. Right-click on the ending point Aurangabad in the existing route. Select Remove this destination option from the context menu. A new route from Mumbai to Vadodara appears on the map. Here Mumbai is the starting point and Vadodara is the destination. Now we will see how to find a reverse route. Click on the reverse route icon in the routing panel. Notice that the existing route is shown as a dotted line. A reverse route from Vadodara to Mumbai is seen on the map. Now source is Vadodara and destination is Mumbai. To clear this route from the map, click on Clear Route icon. Notice that the route from Mumbai to Vadodara has been cleared. Now we will see how to open a route that we have saved earlier. Click on the Open Route icon. Open Route dialog box appears. Select Mumbai-Pune.kml file from the desktop. Click on the Open button to open this file. Route map from Mumbai to Pune opens. Now we will learn about location tracking of a route. Once we start our trip, we can track our location. Click on the Location panel. Click on the drop-down button below Position Tracking. Select Current Route option. Check the Show Track checkbox. We can see a moving arrow with a blue circle on the route. This indicates the current location of the route. Longitude and latitude of the current location are shown in the Location panel. Speed and distance covered by the vehicle are also seen in the Location panel. Now let us save the track. Click on the Save Track icon. A Save Track dialog box appears. Select a location to save the track. I will select the desktop folder. In the file name field, type the name as track-1.kml. Please note that the file extension should be .kml. Click on the Save button. Let us open our saved track. I will close this Marble application. Go to the desktop folder. Track-1.kml file has been saved on the desktop. To open this file, right-click on it. Select the option Open with Marble. Notice that the current track from Mumbai to Pune has been saved. Next, we will clear the current track from the map. Click on the Clear Track button in the Location panel. Clear Current Track dialog box appears. A message, "Are you sure you want to clear the current track?" appears. Click on the Yes button. Current track has been removed from the map. Observe that track-1 is still seen on the route. Let us disable the position tracking. Go to the drop-down button below Position Tracking and select Disabled option. The position tracking arrow has now disappeared. Even though the arrow has disappeared, route from Mumbai to Pune is still seen. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to customize an existing route, create a reverse route, track the location of a route, save a track and open a track, clear the track, and disable the position tracking from the map. As an assignment, create a route map from Delhi to Agra and do the following. Change the route from Delhi to Kanpur. Find its reverse route. Save the track in .kml file format. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD Government of India. This tutorial is contributed by Vijay Nair and Madhuri Ganpati from IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching.